In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use ray tracing in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, a lot of platforms, such as PC, will support ray tracing on Minecraft. As you can see, I am recording this video on my PC, which runs the same version of Minecraft as the Nintendo Switch and other consoles, namely the Bedrock Edition. Now, if you join an RTX compatible map such as this one, you will be able to download a custom resource or behavior pack, and that allows you to use ray tracing. So if you go over to the video settings, you will find ray tracing at the bottom. It is a simple toggle that you can enable here, and as you can see, if I turn it off, you can clearly notice the difference right away. All the reflections went away, these colors aren't bright anymore, and if I go back and I turn it on, you will be able to notice the difference right away. So a lot of people have been wondering, is there any way to enable ray tracing on Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch, or is it completely impossible to do? Sadly, as it stands today, the Nintendo Switch hardware is just too old. Even if you were to purchase a Nintendo Switch OLED, it's still not capable of doing ray tracing, not only on Minecraft but any other games. So because of this, they don't offer the option to use ray tracing on Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch. You are only able to do ray tracing if you are playing Minecraft Bedrock Edition on PC. It is unfortunate because I know a lot of you would like to see how ray tracing feels and looks on a Nintendo Switch, and that's the only console that you have access to. But as it stands today, it is their decision, and it seems like they won't be releasing it in the future because of the poor hardware of the Nintendo Switch. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that while it is possible to do ray tracing in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, that is not available for the Nintendo Switch due to hardware limitations. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.